Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another food. So, oh dang it, hopefully the stuff in the back's not melting. I've been all over. So, we have Dairy Queen. I'm starving. It's like going on noon. And I'm hungry for some lunch. So I have a footlong coney, add onion. Ooh, yummy. I feel like they just keep getting shorter and shorter. Wow, no, I couldn't tell you the last time I had a coney dog. So a footlong coney with onion. I need to get a bite because this smells amazing. I'm so hungry. Mmm. Dang it, I knew I was gonna get freaking something on this paper. I have an important paper on my seat and I set this over there. Is there a hole in the... Here. Anyways, get this freaking seat out of the way. I have a footlong coney with onion, an order of nachos and cheese, and the candy cane chill blizzard. I got a mini. Let's get a bite of nacho here. Got my blizzard. Can we do it? Yum. Mm-hmm. So good. So, got up. Everybody's situated for school. Got Adrian on the bus. Got Ellie to school. Got Jax to school. Then went over to meet with that lady to fill out that application. And ended up being there for 2 hours. Filled out the application. Ended up pretty much doing an interview right there on the spot. She was so nice. Everybody was. So now, next step is I have to take this paper that I just got cheese on. To the sheriff's office. Actually, I have to call this number first and schedule an appointment to go to the sheriff's office to get my fingerprints done. To do a background check and something else. But it costs $70. Not $7, $70. I was like, 70? She's like, yeah. She's like, I know. That's just what they charge. And she said, when people do that, if they get the job and start working and she can see that they're like a good employee and they're going to stick around, she reimburses them $100 because you have to buy certain pants and shirts to wear there also. And she said it takes like a week to get the fingerprint thing back. She said when I get that back, call her, because sometimes when the paperwork comes back into her, it just kind of gets set to the side. But with the holiday coming up, it's like, oh. So I told her I'd try to come up with the $70. Like today. So I told her I'm not working, like she knows. So hopefully I can call him today and get an appointment for Monday. So I can get there Monday and get it done. Sorry. Anyway, I told her I'd try and come up with the $70 so I can call him today. And hopefully I can get in there Monday to get the fingerprints done. So by the end of next week or the week after, they'll have the results in or whatever. Then after the first of the year, after the holiday, when everything goes back to normal, should be able to get me in there for my training and stuff. Then I left there and stopped at Aldi. My stomach is growling while I'm eating. I should have got strawberries at Aldi's. They're like $3.99. So I ran over to Walmart because it's across the street. $5 for a container of strawberries. So our kids aren't getting strawberries yet. Dang it, I forgot to look for the holiday shaped chicken nuggets at Aldi. Too many things going on. Put out their fish sticks. Everything we need for baking day tomorrow. Is that paper on it? What the heck? Where it's stuck to the box. I'm gonna eat. Go home and get my hot chocolate station set up. Baking day's tomorrow. But I have to get the gingerbread men and all the sugar cookie cutouts made today, so they're ready to be decorated tomorrow. Plus, I wanted to take the kids somewhere today when they get home from school. And I have somewhere to go tomorrow morning. Before baking day. So. So yeah, eat lunch. Go home. Hot chocolate station. I mean, I only have 2 hours before I have to go get Jack, so. So much to do. Don't give you enough cheese. All right. I've been seeing this on their billboard. The last couple weeks. I want to give it a try. I don't know if I tried it last year. It's called Candy Cane Chill. So it has peppermint pieces. And chocolate pieces. It's good. I personally would rather it not have the chocolate. I saw on their menu they have a sugar cookie one too, I think it said. Yeah, because it's like a chocolate peppermint. But it's just called peppermint or what's it called? Candy cane chill. So you think it would just be like peppermint? But yeah, I think it'd be better without the chocolate. Cold. It's so good. So this Dairy Queen has like, what is it, barbecue pulled pork sandwiches, shredded chicken, like hot dogs. I think they have chicken strips. I don't know. There's another one nearby that I'm pretty sure has cheeseburgers and stuff. I should try it sometime. Oh, I'm exhausted just thinking about everything I have to do today and tomorrow. I'm super excited to not have to get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Or the next day. My Vlogmas day 1 went up today, finally. So I need to get day 2 up or edited. Day 1, I had an hour and 42 minutes of footage to edit. Alright. I'm full. I'm not a big ice cream person. I know some people are. I'm just not. So yeah. There's my lunch. That's my update on how things are going. Or what's going on. Put it in my can. I will wait when I get home. But I gotta get home because I got stuff to do. And not much time to get it done. What the heck? Scoop my seat up. Set my seat up. Alright. I hope you enjoyed having lunch with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Wish me luck. That things keep going in the right direction. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.